everyone, welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. 40% of water supplied by the PWD doesn't reach households. Leakage leads to huge revenue loss. Former principal engineer reveals the shocking fact. Government revokes permission given to D.Ed course in Ravi Naik's college. Education department concludes that state doesn't need more D.Ed institutes. Congress ready to come on board with job seekers from different departments. Accused Parrikar of protecting offshore casinos by closing onshore. Goa Football Development Council's open-minded attitude may boost all sports. Russian expertise may become backbone of Goan sports. Goa Football Development Council makes important appointments, workout training program to create football medics. And DM's colleges, Aniket Kerkar is the Goa University's strongest man 2012-13. Rosary College dethroned defending champions DMS College to win the varsity's powerlifting title. And now the news in detail. In a shocking revelation, former principal engineer of the PWD has revealed that there is leakage of 40% water in Goa. A. Vachasundar has exposed the fact that such huge amount of water supplied through PWD pipelines never reaches household. It also leads to loss of revenue. He was addressing media on Indian Water Workers Association's conference in Goa. This is shocking and irritating. 40% water supplied by the PWD never reaches our household. This fact is revealed by former principal engineer of the PWD, A. Vachasundar. This is sad and ironic as many areas in Goa still suffer shortage of water.
Therefore, what happens, as I explain you, that presently in India, there is no sort of accountability of water. Goa is at least having some means to account for how is unaccountable water.
The conference by Indian Water Workers Association will focus on improving water distribution system in Goa. Delegates from many countries will participate in the conference. Vachasundar is now looking after the ambitious JICA project.
We are organizing one international conference on water security on a sustainable basis. So in that, how to cope up with additional demand, then control of non-revenue oblique unaccounted flow of water, then asset management, then going for 24/7 water supply, developing awareness regarding judicious use of water, etc. will be deliberated, and there is a 2 days workshop, conference at the Majora Beach Resort. Indian Water Works Association is an association functioning in the sphere of water and wastewater for last 40 years. This is a non-profit organization, and we are having about 8,000 members all over India with 28 centers all over India.
Reporter Pratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media. Education Department has revoked permission given to D.Ed course in Ravi Naik's Ponda Education Society. Department is of the opinion that Goa doesn't need any more D.Ed institutes as the course fails to provide any gainful employment to the youth. However, PES says that they will fulfill necessary criteria for the course within next few days. A Prudent Media special report. Sources say that Education Department doesn't want to permit any more D.Ed courses in Goa. Analysis by the department has revealed that there is no scope for D.Ed students in Goa in terms of employment and prospects. In view of this analysis, the department decided to cancel the permission given to PES. The society had still not started the course. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent. Congress leaders in the state have threatened to hit the streets if job seekers are left jobless. Congress leaders would participate in hunger strike with the youth in Panji. Alex Reginald had challenged CM Parrikar to prove if Congress asked bribe while offering job letters to the youth. Reginald has alleged that CM wants to save offshore casinos by stopping onshore casinos. Goa Pradesh Congress will support hunger strike call given by job seekers on Monday. Addressing media on Thursday, MLA Alex Reginald informed that proper procedure was followed by the department while giving offer letters. He challenged CM to prove the allegations on offer letters.
They have got RTI saying that process is right. What more you want? Why they will complain? Yes. Yes, we will intensify. Yes, I will be there. Field inspector to prove कर मसा. Prove कर मसा. Prove कर मसा कि त्याग 30 सन टॅगे दिलो आहे candidate आणि ते 30 सन काल येल नाही.
GPCC lashed out at Parrikar for allowing casinos to pay renewal fee on quarterly basis with 12% interest on delayed payment.
आता quarterly payments म्हणते they will falter again. They will see that they will not be able to pay that money. कित्याक 25 lakhsanचे सन fee होयल्या 2.5 कोटीचेर. Sorry, 1.5 कोटीचेर. It is a big leap which has been taken. कित्याक, and I have been saying that time again, फकत offshore casinos आहाय तांकां promote करपाक. आता होयल्यान अनेक casino घालपाची already तयारी. सी करपाची काय ना, vessel करपाचें. ताका even licenses to be issued by ports, captain of ports. Jayaport Devala is conspiracy to see that offshore casinos get all the business. It is a conspiracy to see that fees are increased of the land casinos, they stop and increase in the revenue for offshore casinos.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.